In the heart of Mumbai's vibrant Mahim district, surrounded by tall buildings and high population density, numerous office buildings are facing various challenges. Within the modern glass building, employees work diligently in closed cubicles with minimal natural light and green spaces. Water stagnation and excessive energy consumption are a rampant issue in the area, causing distress and concerns for many. In the midst of this chaos, a beacon of hope emerges. A dedicated team of architectural students and professionals, guided by the powerful philosophy of Synergyscape, are passionately committed to transforming the landscape for the better. Can this holistic approach truly help us create a better and more sustainable work environment, or can it do so much more? Through the integration of nature, social interaction, and diverse spaces tailored to make unique needs, Kohinoor Edge promotes both inclusivity and diversity. The curved facade not only adds a touch of modern elegance to our structure, but also serves a functional purpose by keeping our building cool and comfortable throughout the day. And let's not forget about the wind turbines positioned strategically at the heart of a building. They harness the power of the wind to significantly reduce our energy consumption. Gone are the boring, monotonous tall buildings, now replaced with the breathtaking view of the sea. Every detail inside, from the abundant natural lighting to the reflective paint, green desks, water-saving fixtures, has been meticulously chosen to prioritize comfort, stunning views, and sustainability. This net zero building breathes new life into office space, bringing with it a sense of renewal and vitality. Its impact, however, goes far beyond the wall of the workspace, extending into our very heart of the community. By promoting sustainability and reducing our carbon footprint, this building is not just a structure. It is a symbol of hope and a catalyst of positive change. Through our dedication to sustainability, we have achieved remarkable results. A staggering 62% reduction in carbon footprint, a 54% decrease in water consumption, and a significant reduction in overall environmental impact. This is more than just a workplace. It's a testament to our commitment to the well-being of our employees, the community, and the planet. By prioritizing sustainability and holistic wellness, with every step we take, we strive to leave a lasting legacy of positivity and prosperity for generations to come. Join us in creating a brighter and a healthier future for all.